Hello students, today we are going to see what is differential equation, and we are going to study about the degree and order of differential equation and also the solution for linear differential equations. Actually this topic comes under the VTU syllabus second semester engineering mathematics second module. So this video is just for the introduction session. So let us see what is differential equation today. So let us first see what is differential equation, what is linear differential equation, order and degree of differential equation. Then we'll go to the solution of differential equation. So any equation can be written in the form of y is equal to f of x. Here x is independent variable and y is known as dependent variable. So this is the general format of common equation, that is a general equation. So for example, if I write y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. So here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So we can tell this is a equation f of x is equal to y, or y is equal to f of x, or we can say y is a equation in terms of x. So this is example for just a equation, in equation which is in terms of independent variables. So if you observe this equation, we don't have any differential terms over here. So this is not a differential equation. So to call an equation as a differential equation, we need differential terms such as dy by dx. That is nothing but equation y or dependent variable y is differentiated with respect to independent variable x. So this is differential term. Or we can also write d square y by dx square. This is nothing but the dependent variable y is differentiated with respect to x twice. Or you can also write d3 or d cube y by dx cube. This is also differential term. So if I say if an equation is having all these terms in it, then we can call this as a differential equation. Now let me give an example. So example for this is, so if I write d square y by dx square plus 3y is equal to 0. So this is a differential equation. Why? Because we have independent variable in its differential format, that is y in its d square y by dx square format. So this is a differential term. So this equation becomes differential equation. Or I can write just DE. DE stands for differential equation. So let us see now. So we can give any examples for this. So if I write say higher order, this is a order 2. I'll tell you later what is order and what is degree. And now if I want to write a third order differential equation, this is how we write a third order differential equation. This is just an example. So this is a third order differential equation. So here now we have to understand what is degree of a differential equation and order of differential equation. So let me take an example first. So let me take an example. Here if you see, this is a differential equation. Why this is differential equation? Because we have differential term, that is differential term of dependent variable y, and also we have other terms. So this is a differential equation. So now we have to see what is the order of the differential equation. So now in this example, if you search for a highest differential term, then we get 2. That is the highest power of the differential term, or that is the highest times you are differentiating. So we have 2 as the order. And if I say what is the index of this differential term, so index, if you see, index is 1. So 1 is a degree. We don't have any other differential terms. So this itself is a order and degree of this particular differential equation. Now if I take some other examples, say you have d square y by dx square, and you have a square, whole square, plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a differential equation. Why? Because we have a differential term and also constants. That's no problem for us. So this is a differential equation. Now let us see what is the order of this differential equation first. So if I search for differential terms, I have only one differential term here. There is d square y by dx square. And this differential term is the highest differentiation we are doing here. So d square y by dx square is the differential term. So the order here, if you see, is 2, and you see the index of that particular differential term. So the index is 2. So the degree is, you can say, it is 2. So this is the order and degree of this particular differential equation. Let me write one more differential equation. Say you have d square y by dx square, or let me take coefficients also as 3, plus 4 dy by dx whole square plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a differential equation because it has got differential terms. And we have two differential terms. So this is y is differentiated twice with respect to x, and we have dy by dx. This is y differentiated once with respect to x. Now the highest times we are differentiating is twice, that is 2. So the order is 2, and the degree here is not this, the degree of the highest differential term. So it is 1. So degree is 1. So this is how we decide degree and order of differential equation.